Good morning from Colchester. Well, it's not really morning now, is it? It's probably afternoon, I reckon.
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime. Hence, charcuterie board with fries.
She was really, you know, when you
We are in Colchester. We're going to explore some of the mad history and the mad shit. We're currently in Church East Stratton. A bit of a skank really, and a bit of a rip-off, but I'll tell you that later. And we're going to find out if Sammy would have been burnt at the stake or should have drowned. I've got a feeling should have been burnt at the stake.
What
do you reckon?
Because of being a witch?
Yeah.
Well, neither sound pleasant, so whatever one is the least worst, maybe.
What's worse, do you reckon?
I'd probably say being burnt alive.
From drowning?
Well, yeah, but drowning, I don't think actually lasts that long, does it?
I don't know.
From when your lungs fill up.
If we ever burn alive, we'll have to stick together.
Oh my god, I just realised that as I was laughing. That's awful. No. We would be stuck together.
Yeah.
No. Oh. No thanks.
That's what burn victims are so friendly. Have I got some shit on
Don't
my...
say that, that's bloody awful.
We are here in Colchester
Well, hey.
to work out if Sammy would have drowned or been burned at the stake. Actually, in 1500s, there was a little scam.
A scam?
Oh, well, it was a scam. It weren't like based on any kind of bloody science. It's safe. So they'd get a crazy girl like this one here. Go, you seem mental.
Charming.
They go, right. So we're gonna put you on a chair and dunk you in the water, the lake, wherever. And if you didn't drown, you're a witch, and then we burnt you at a stake, right?
Oh, right. So basically, both situations.
Either way, you died, basically. So it was like you die as a human or you die as a witch. Would Sammy have been burnt at the stake, or would she have drowned?
Well, if they dunk you first, then I think I would have drowned first because I'm not very good at holding my breath underwater. So I think I probably would have gone within about a minute.
I think they'd have burned you at a stake.
Why?
You're a witch. What's your favourite festival? Time of the year?
Halloween. You're all round your chops.
Does that not explain it?
What? Because I love Halloween.
In Essex, there was more people killed as witches than anywhere else.
Over 200 women and men were held in the cells of Colchester Castle on charges of witchcraft.
And we do a guided tour as well, which is an additional £4.75 that takes you down into the foundations of the original Roman temple, up the great stairs and onto the roof of the castle as well.
Oh,
and that is guided, so...
Okay.
So we recommend an hour to an hour and a half for self-guided.
We're in Colchester Castle. So it's £13.50 for a self-guided tour, and then an extra £4.75 if you want to go with a tour guide who takes you underneath, downstairs, and then up on the castle roof. We've just gone self-guided. You can actually look at any of this stuff. Just pay to come in here.
This is the toilet, the ancient Roman toilet, as they called it, the garderobe. And it come out of the wall, so you basically give them a thingy, a demonstration.
Sit.
So you sit and squat, and it goes out of the wall. So come out here, and I shall tell you a fact about the Roman toilet.
Toilet.
So, have you ever heard of the saying, got the shit end of the stick?
Yes.
So, in them Roman toilets, what?
Oh God, is
What?
it that they pushed it down with a stick?
They used to push it down with a stick, and the current term was, obviously, if you picked up the stick from the wrong end, you got the shit end of the stick.
Oh, gross.
So that's where that term, oh God, you've got the shit end of the stick there, anyway. So yeah, that's where it comes from.
And it'd be someone else's poo that you touch as well.
Well, it could be everybody's. No, people weren't too fussing back them days, were they?
I think I still would have been.
Yeah, you might have, but
I'm
that's
a bit of a germaphobe when
the
it comes to
term.
things like that. What?
the shit end of the stick. Colchester's the oldest city in England.
Oh yeah, I knew that.
Yeah.
Is that... Which one's the birthplace of radio? Is that
Chelmsford.
Chelmsford? Oh,
Another fact,
go on.
Colchester has the biggest Sainsbury's in England. You got a race. Oh look, you can actually steer it.
He's bashing me, look. Piss off. Go. Faster, faster. Please touch. What, here?
What is it?
Choose your god. And I chose her. And it's Venus.
You would be my goddess forever, obviously.
Yeah, but boobs are bigger than a face. I could ram you with it, couldn't I? That knobbly bobbly bit. Dish. 8-minute walk away, so I'll take Ferraris.
About 1400.
Wow. It was deliberately damaged during the Protestant Reformation in the 1500s. It's so big on my head. I'm drowning in it.
It's quite cool though, everyone's named in it.
is. Chuckhead. 24th of the 8th, 1996.
1966.
93.
82. LH and ARW 82. Citizen Fish.
Oh my god. Weasel.
Weasel. 03 again, Weasel. So that was Weasel 03, Weasel 04.
Oh yeah.
Duncan, look, 83. Oh, that's quite cool.
That is.
1910. No, 1910. That's someone who's dyslexic.
Well, if you are watching this video and it's you,
Yeah.
one of these is you, let us know.
And subscribe.
Yes, please.
Subscribe. Please subscribe, because no one subscribes to our channel. We get loads of people watching, but no one subscribes. I'll tell you, when I die, I want a gigantic, horrendous kind of... I want like one of these. Let me see this. But a statue of me on it, riding a dolphin, with machete in one hand, spray can in the other, scar out my mouth. Yeah, why not?
Sounds pretty cool.
I think that sounds quite relevant,
You're a big baller, that's why.
quite a realistic thing to have upon your death. If I don't get that, just chuck me in the sea.
This is pretty cool though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mine's a bit like Hadley Castle, but just much better. What did it actually say?
So, we are heading to the most amazing fact I thought ever.
Probably can get out over there.
Like ever.
No, I don't think you can. No, we'll just go this way. What's that,
And
sorry?
we're going to surprise her with this amazing fact and see if she was amazed as much I was.
Oh, you're going to amaze me?
Yeah, so
Oh,
I know
okay.
it. I know I was well amazed. So we're going to see if you are as amazed as I am.
Sure I will be.
Of course you will. So I'm not easily amazed.
I am.
Huh?
I think I am.
Yeah, sometimes you are. Sometimes you go,
Sometimes.
yeah.
No, I don't.
Anyway, that's what I was saying. Yeah. Oh, it's up there, is it? Nice one. I'm going to post a mazer with these facts. Wicked. Oh, but I think it's there.
Where?
I think it's just there. Just there in that corner, just there. Just walk past it. Right, so, what is the most popular fairy tale? Is it fairy tale? Nursery rhyme? No, not fairy tale. What is the most popular nursery rhyme in the world?
Well, there's a few.
No, the one. The first one comes into your head. It has to be it.
Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Did you know that was written by a person called Jane Taylor?
No.
Well, it was a person called Jane Taylor.
Oh, and my middle name's Jane.
Yeah, but they
No, I think that's pretty cool.
And she was 23. So it was written by someone called Jane Taylor when
Yeah.
she was 23.
Yeah.
Do you want to know where that was written?
Right here, in this
In
house.
that fucking room there.
Up the top. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
How mad is that?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
That we are in the
I
place
wonder what you
where the
are.
most famous
Nursery
nursery
rhyme.
rhyme on the planet was ever. But yeah, and that goes to show, I said to you, what was the first nursery rhyme that comes into your head?
Yeah.
What did you say?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Yeah, and it was there. Oh, there you go, there you go, it's on the plaque.
Authors of original poems for infant minds.
Huh? Infant.
1796.
Because that was the book
1799.
Twinkle Twinkle Little Star was in, that book.
Was it?
Hmm.
Oh, I'd love to go in that house.
Oh,
Do you
I think
reckon
people live
just knock and
there.
ask them to-
So, apparently, it was in.
that
It's
bedroom?
assumed it was that one now.
She'd now be 242 years old. Not 120, whatever it was that you said.
Okay, fair enough. But this is creativity,
Yeah, no.
which has lasted over 200 years.
yeah.
And it'll go for another 500 years.
Yeah.
But look how nice that was. I was going to say, it's
Lily
nice.
pads and that in there.
Yeah.
What is it here?
But that pink one now
Yeah.
was something to do with the something somewhere about the
Something.
ever wander down Riverside or
So I just walk.
oh, this is what's this old building here? Look.
I don't know.
Bit of urban exploring. Oh, that's an old. What's going on in here? But this is like an old rundown estate. There's
House South.
all stuff out there.
Oh yeah.
Let's have a look. See if we can get in.
Get in.
Yeah.
Get in.
Well, we can try, innit? Shut your mouth. It's up this way.
The guard dog, they're going to sit on us.
Yeah. So there must be dogs in there.
Yeah. Sanitize your hands here. Prevent spread of coronavirus.
Got his own ring cameras. It's a butcher's.
What?
Butcher's.
Oh, butchers.
Yeah, it's a butcher's in there. No, they're actually butchering food in there.
Oh my god, yeah, there is.
Oh my god, it's actually moving there. Yeah, it's an actual live working butcher's.
Guys.
So it must be round here, isn't it, in the front? Oh yeah, look. In the off licence. Hey mate. Do you think this is the end of today's Colchester experience?
I think so.
So now, is this the last of our little, not a massive exploration of Colchester?